Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the first time setup of the brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you have the standard S26 or the S26 Plus, don't worry. The process is exactly the same. Let's get started. First, power on your phone by holding down the side button. You will see the Samsung logo and after a few seconds, the Android logo will appear, followed by the welcome screen. Now, let us pick your language. Tap the drop-down menu to see a huge list of options, including many Indian regional languages. I am choosing English India for this video. Once you have picked yours, tap OK and then hit Start. Next is the For Your Review section. You will see the license agreement and privacy policy. These are mandatory to move forward. You will also see diagnostic data. That one is optional. So you can leave it unchecked if you want. Tap Agree to continue. Samsung now offers an easy setup option using another device. This is great if you want to copy settings and accounts from an old phone or tablet. But for this video, we are going to choose Setup manually to keep things simple. Time to connect to Wi-Fi. Find your network and enter the password. You can also use the QR code scanner if that is easier. Next up, the mobile network. If you want to transfer an eSIM from your old phone or add a new one with the QR code, you can do that here. You can also pop in your physical SIM card now. I'm going to skip this for now and do it later. Wait just a couple of seconds and you will see the copy apps and data screen. If you are switching from an old Android or iPhone, tap Next and follow the steps to move your files. For this tutorial, I am selecting Don't Copy so we can see a fresh setup. Now sign into your Google account. This is important for downloading apps from the Play Store and using Gmail. You can skip this, but I highly recommend logging in. For this demo, I will hit Skip and then Confirm. Let us secure your phone. You can choose face recognition, fingerprint, a PIN or a password. I will skip this for the video, but please make sure you set a screen lock later to keep your data safe. Now look over the Google services. Uncheck anything you don't want, like usage reporting, and then tap Accept. Choose your favorite search engine from the list. Tap Next and we are moving on. Next is the Samsung account. If you have one, sign in now. If you want to skip it, tap Forgot Password or Don't Have an Account. And then Set up later in Settings. Samsung will explain why an account is useful. But you can just tap Skip to keep going. Manage your Samsung service permissions here. Choose what you have comfortable with and tap Agree. Now for the fun part. Pick your look. Choose between light mode or dark mode. I will stick with light mode for now. Tap Next. You will see a list of recommended apps like Smart Tutor. Smart Tutor is actually really helpful for tech support. You can check or uncheck the others as you like. Once you are done, tap Next. You are all set up. Tap See what is new to see some cool tips and tricks for your new phone. Once you are done exploring, just tap Home. One quick tip, check your notification bar. You might need to finish a few skipped steps or let the phone finish updating the apps in the background. And that's it. Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is ready to go. If the video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Samsung tutorials and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.